A few more things to conclude this quick session that I'm trying to make extra quick, but not forget anything. Reeds for clarinets and alto saxophone, just check to make sure that you've got the right pack. A 3-pack is a good start. Eventually, they'll need the larger pack. Alto saxophones, check to make sure that the instrument has come with a neck strap. Gotta have that. PPE is available for any student who wishes to use it. It is simply a mask for your bell and a mask for your face that has a slit in it that will keep your germs to yourself. If that is something that you would like, just specify so that I can, what I'll do is, and what I've done in the past, is students who prefer to wear this in this environment, I put their mask and their bell cover in a Ziploc bag. I write their name on it and it goes in a basket. And when they come into their lesson, they kind of self-regulate and grab the PPE and they put the instrument together and they sit a couple of a foot or so away. If that is something that is concerned, please let me know and we can make sure that we have every student accommodated for. Cleaning protocols are up to date in my room, regardless of anything. We are consistently cleaning to kill flu viruses and germs in the band and strings room. Instrument repair. This is a big one. If an instrument breaks throughout the course of the year, instinct first is to bring it to me. 90% of the time, I will be able to fix the instrument here at school with my instrument repair kit, replacing strings, replacing corks, and that kind of thing. If I've left anything out, which is very possible, please let me know. I'm going to link the QR code and I'm going to link my email address so that you can email me with any questions that you have about the program if I've left anything out. So please let me know if you have any questions. I'm looking forward to seeing our new Bulldog musicians and getting started the week of October the 3rd.